Hi, welcome to Dialogues. In this video, we will learn about how to connect a MetaMask to Polygon or Matic network. If you are new on the channel, my name is Himmat. Here we learn all fundamental concepts and practical development of blockchain technologies. So if this is something helpful to you, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, if you don't know about how to install and set up a MetaMask, then I would recommend to go and watch my previous video. You can find that link in the description below. Now, once you click on the MetaMask, here you can find the add network button. You can click on the add network. Here you need to fill all these details. You can find all these details into the blog. I will paste this blog link in the description below. First one is network name. You can mention any network name of your choice. We have mentioned here Polygon Mainnet. Then this is the RPC URL. This is required to connect MetaMask to the Polygon blockchain. This is the chain ID for Polygon Mainnet. Currency symbol is Matic, and this is the block explorer. Block explorer is nothing but we can track all our wallet activities. If you see here, our Polygon mainnet is successfully added to this MetaMask. Now let's go and try to add the Polygon testnet. You can click on add network. You need to fill the same details. Just go to this block. Just write the network name of your choice. Then the RPC URL. This RPC URL is to connect to the Polygon testnet. Then chain ID is this one. You can paste this. Currency symbol is Matic. And block explorer. This is the block explorer. You can paste here and save it. Here our Polygon testnet is also successfully added to our MetaMask. Now you can see here mainnet and testnet both are successfully added. Now let's go and check the account address into the Polyscan. If you see here, there is 0 Matic token. Let us go and try to get some test Matic. This is the site where you need to select the Matic token and paste your account address or wallet address and submit. So just confirm this, request submitted. It will take few seconds to credit the Matic into our account. Just wait for a while. If you see here, Testmatic is credited to our account. Now you can use this Testmatic for your development purpose. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.